Good morning, friends. This is Prabir Kundu once again. Back to you, to all of you, with a new and very interesting topic on this my video, which I am sure everybody needs that and everybody will be certainly appreciating after watching my video. Right now, as a career consultant, well, that is one of my job profile. I do rest of other things also. I come across on day-to-day basis many students, those who are going to keep their foot in the professional world, many people who are doing the already jobs, maybe they have already completed 5 to 6 years of job, many first line managers, many second line managers on day to day basis. Yeah, it's like that right from my LinkedIn connections, or from my Facebook friends, or from those colleges where I go to deliver the lecture. On day-to-day basis, I receive at least 4 to 5 or 6 phone calls where they wants my expertise, they wants my help to develop their career. They wanted that their career should get a direction. So they interact with me. And what I feel very sorry, what I feel very disappointed, what I feel very shocking, that whenever I interact with these people, either he is a fresher, is a student, a new pass out student, or he is a seasoned professional who has already completed some 15-16 years in the job. And one thing which I find absolutely absent in all of them is that they don't have any kind of goal setting for their career. How surprising and shocking is this, that in a professional journey where they have to spend some 35 to 40 years of their life, and they don't have any plan, they don't have any career plan, they don't have any goal setting, then how you are going to move ahead, right? See, you, in absence of a goal setting, is like that you are driving your car, or you are driving your motorbike, or you are driving on your bicycle, and you have to reach a distance in a dense foggy weather. Maybe it is a night or it is a day. So what will happen? A distance which under normal condition and normal weather, it might take 1 hour to cover by either your cycle or by either your motorbike or by your car. It will take at least 4 hours. Means 4 times it will take the time, because the visibility will be too less, which will create a lot of confusions. And it will lead to what? It will lead to anger, it will lead to frustration, it will lead to depression, that I am killing my time because of this blah blah weather and all, and you will do nothing. Right? On a contrary, if you have a goal setting, if it is a clear eye, if it is a normal weather, and you are driving your bicycle, or you are driving your car, or you are driving a motorbike, and you want to reach to a place which takes 1 hour distance, it will exactly take 1 hour distance to reach that place. That is the difference of the goal setting. So in absence of goal setting, will lead to anger, will lead to frustration, will lead to depression, will lead to confusion. Now let us understand that why goal setting is required. Scientifically, what is the scientific definition? See, in all of our brain, there is a finger-shaped item is there, small item is there, that is known as the neocortex, right? From neocortex, or the job of the neocortex is that it sends message to not only all the parts of the brain, but all the parts of the body also, that what are the things they wanted to do. Now suppose you have a goal. Today, suppose you are today as a medical representative, and you have planned a goal that next 20 years you are going to be the general manager of a company, right? So you planned like this, that first 5 years I will develop myself and become area sales manager. Next 4 years I will become a second line manager. Next 4 to 5 years I will become a sales manager. Next 2 years I will become a national sales manager, and by 20th year I will reach to general manager. So once you write down all this goal, next what will happen? You will start to explore that who are the people who will be able to help me, what are the qualities which I need to develop, what are the job functions which I need to develop, what are the knowledge base I have to broaden, what are the newer skills I have to. So you start thinking on that, and you start sending message to the neocortex. And these all messages which is repeatedly going to the neocortex starts sending to your all the parts of the body as well as to all the parts of the brain. And slowly, this repeated message, this also goes to the subconscious mind. So your conscious mind and conscious mind, both the subconscious mind, both started thinking in terms of the accomplishment and taking action on the newer things, what you have decided as your goal setting, as your goal and the activity you have planned. So what it will happen, your life will get a purpose. You will be very happy that I have a purpose to live. You will get motivated. The serotonin level of your body will increase and you will have a plan. You will start taking action. You will start taking baby steps so that you can accomplish all the goal. And your life will change, a 360-degree change as compared to that when you don't have any goal setting. You are just, moving ahead without any direction, right? So what are the advantages of the goal setting? The first advantage of the goal setting, that it will be able to break your limits. Now previously you think, I cannot do this, I cannot do this. Now once you set the goal and you start taking baby small steps and you start getting success on that, your confidence level will increase and it will break your limits. Goal setting will increase your self-awareness. Goal setting will increase your self-discipline. You will become much more disciplined. If you are sleeping earlier by 8 o'clock in the morning, you will get up maybe 5 o'clock and start working on your, searching talents, working on developing your skills, developing your knowledge, reading some books, and you will start acting all, taking actions on all these things. Means your life will have a altogether a definite meaning, and you will have a definite meaning, and you will be doing specific purpose so that whatever goal setting you did, you accomplish that, right? So now you see that goal setting, absolutely takes a 360-degree turn in compared to when any professional doesn't have a goal setting. So goal setting is important or not? Yes, goal setting is very important. In my next video, I will discuss that how goal setting can be done and in what baby steps we have to take so that we can accomplish our goal. Till then, all the best. Bye.